protein mini muffins. Okay, my wedding is 2 months away, and I've been really trying to focus on getting protein, drinking water, you know, doing all the things. And so these I just have to try. Who remembers like the mini muffins as kids? Okay, so one container has 15 grams of protein, low sugar. Okay, this is chocolate fudge, bunch of chocolate fudge, blueberry. Ooh, actually a blueberry muffin sounds so delicious. Ooh, and birthday cake. Okay, so birthday cake, blueberry, and chocolate. Let's try the blueberry. You get 3 muffins in here. Oh, and 5 grams of collagen. Hello, perfect for wedding. Okay, you get 3 of these. Oh my god. Literally just like the mini muffins. I'll link them right on here. These are so stinking good. Okay. Low saturated fats, low sugar, 5 grams of collagen, 15 grams of protein, and rich in omega-3s. Oh my god, these are so good. Oh my gosh. It's just your classic mini muffin.